little bit faster. There you go. Keep on, keep on, keep on. Good job. You're doing a good job. Keep on. I think you might have let go. You're still on the fish. Hey, he's still on. Reel in, buddy. Don't stop. Don't stop. You got it. Good job. Keep on. Keep on. He's almost here. He's almost here. All right. Stop right there. I'll bring him in now.
Look, Ryan, you caught a fish.
As we were talking,
Yeah.
it's saying that this bait isn't any good.
Hold the fish, Ryan.
Put it underneath the water. Put it right there.
Let me see, Ryan. What a nice fish.
Slimy.
Huh?
Slimy.
It's a slimy fish. Take this off.
No!
Alright, so now you gotta take them out of there. Here, I'll hold this. You take them out of there the way I taught you and throw them back in. Careful. Good. Good job.
Just give him hand sanitizer.